Hi, Assalamualaikum everyone. So the topic that will be discussed for today is about religion perspective on modern science. Modern science has contributed to the development of human way of living, and nowadays there's already the method of prevention for various harmful disease, which is called vaccine. Vaccine is basically a substance used to stimulate the production of antibodies and provide immunity against some harmful disease. Years by years, this vaccine have prevented many cases of disease and saved millions of lives. However, it leads to the dilemma of religious people, which some of them cannot adapt with the science that may change their religion or tradition. There are some people who refuse to do vaccination because of some reasons like religion. They prefer to not vaccinate themselves as they believe that nothing will be happen to them and everything is going to be okay. Today, we can find an increasing modern anti-vaccine movement that argues that there are far greater dangers than the advantage of vaccination. For the current pandemic, there are some of us who refuse to take COVID-19 vaccine since they're afraid it could harm them. This is a serious issue since we can look at the previous incident which led to the reappearance of dangerous disease like polio and rabies due to the human behavior who refuse to vaccinate themselves. Religious reasons are different from other reasons because they generally relate to their core belief and they are very difficult to deter from immunization view. One of the reasons why there is an issue on vaccination is because they believe that the vaccine that will be used infringe the strict religious rule. For example, in Indonesia, Islamic leaders released a vaccine fatwa against the measles rubella vaccine because it is not halal. They argue about the component or particle in the vaccine which may contain small amounts of pig's DNA, which Muslims are forbidden from taking or even touch that animal. This shows that it is a need for us to explore more about science and integrate it with religion. There are some points that religion itself highlighted and can be integrated with the modern science. For example, we have maqasid syariah, which it can be used in deciding what is the best option for us to do. We need to know whether is there any alternative to take the other vaccine, or maybe is it darurat and necessary for all community to take it. Every aspect of religion should be studied, as in religion also teach us to give effort to ourselves instead of just praying to the God. Since it will cause more dangerous effect to our humanity and society, there are always consideration in the religion that allow the process. Religion can be linked with science since they both take care of what are the benefits and risks to proceed an event. In Islam, it is crucial for us to determine the maslahah, which is benefit, and the mafsadah, which is risk. And in science, the scientists also responsible to inspect and study the benefits and the consequences of any discoveries. Other than that, the presence of vaccine from a continuous science experimentation shows that science also has a belief which asks us to always expand our knowledge, and this is same as we are told in our religion, which is we need to always find knowledge and help each other to have a better community in the future. For the conclusion, we need to take into account that religion also teach us to take care of our life. We need to explore every aspect before concluding something. Adaptation to modernization in aspect of medication is very important to not be left behind. We need to make our community aware about the importance of vaccine so that we can reduce the cases of harmful disease. We need to begin to spread awareness because we need to prevent any misinformation and incorrect facts about the vaccine that could trigger others to have a personal stand to ban the use of vaccine in medication. Thank you.